Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Now next exercise 4.3. So here 4.3 sum number 1, here 4x square minus 25y square. So here you have to apply as 4x square, just write down 4x square in this way and then 25y square in this way. So now you can apply here the formula a square minus b square, and the formula is a plus b into a minus b. So here a 2x as a and 5y as b. That means here a square minus b square. So then the answer will be 2x plus 5y and then 2x minus 5y. That is the answer. Now next here sum number 3. Okay, in sum number 3.2, 9 into x plus y whole square minus x square. So just write down 9x plus y whole square in this way. Here write down 3 plus x plus y, then put a second bracket, then finally put down the whole square. So 3 whole square, that means 9, and x plus y whole square. So here x plus y whole square. Now here write down x square. So if it will be 3 will be multiplied with this one, so 3x plus 3y whole square and then x whole square. So now you can apply the formula a square minus b square. So that will be 3x plus 3y plus x and then 3x plus 3y minus x. So here 3x plus x, it will be 4x. So 4x plus 3y. In last term 3x minus x, it will be 2x. So 2x plus 3y. Okay. Now next one, sum number 5. In sum number 5.1, 2 into x minus 2y whole square and then 50y square. So here 2 and here 50, then 2 will be common. So if 2 common, then it will be x minus 2y whole square and it will be 25y square. Now the next thing is just write down x minus 2y whole square and here 5y square. So 5y square means 5y whole square. You can write in this way. So here you can apply the formula a square minus b square. So the final answer will be x minus 2y plus 5y and then x minus 2y minus 5y. So finally it will be 2 into x minus 2y, x plus 3y. As 2y plus 5y, that will be plus 3y and here x minus 7y. Now sum number 8. In sum number 8.1, x minus 2y minus x square plus 4y square. Okay, x minus 2y minus x square plus y square. So here just write down x minus 2y. Now next here write down if minus will be common, then it will be x square minus 4y square. Now the next one, x minus 2y, then minus, and here x square, so write down x whole square, and 4y square write down 2y whole square. So x minus 2y and here a square minus b square formula, so it will be x plus 2y into x minus 2y. Now x minus 2y is common, so just write down x minus 2y. From the first one, 1 will be remaining, then minus and then x plus 2y. Okay, so finally x minus 2y into 1 minus x minus 2y. That is the final answer. Now next one, sum number 9. Sum number 9.2. In sum number 9.2, a into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. So first multiply a square minus a, then b square plus b. Okay, then write down a square minus b square and then minus a plus b. So a square minus b square formula will be a plus b into a minus b, and if minus 1 will be common, so it will be a minus b. Now common a minus b and then write down the remaining terms, that means a plus b and here minus 1. So that is the answer. Now next one, sum number 10. Sum number 10.2. In sum number 10.2, 9x to the power 4 minus x square plus 2x plus 1. So 9x to the power 4 means 3x square whole square. And here x square plus 2x plus 1, that means x plus 1 whole square. That is the formula of x plus 1 whole square. Now you can apply the formula a square minus b square, as a equal to 3x square and b equal to x plus 1. So it will be 3x square plus x plus 1 first. Now next 3x square minus x minus 1. That is the answer. Okay, now next sum number 12. In sum number 12, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus 2b square minus 1. So first write down a to the power 4, then minus will be common, then write down b to the power 4 minus 2b square plus 1. Okay, so a to the power 4 means a square whole square, and here b to the power 4 minus 2b square plus 1, that is the formula of b square minus 1 whole square. Okay, b square minus 1 whole square formula is b to the power 4 minus 2b square plus 1. So now it's a and it's b, so we can apply the formula a square minus b square. So that will be a square plus b square minus 1, and next a square minus b square plus 1. Okay, so that is the answer. Now next sum number 14. Sum number 14(2). In sum number 14(2), x square minus 2xy plus y square, and then a square minus 2ab minus b square. So first write down in bracket x square minus 2xy plus y square, and then if minus will be common, then it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So from the first expression, it will be the formula of x minus y whole square. Second expression, it is the formula of a plus b whole square. Now you can apply the formula a square minus b square. So x minus y plus a plus b, that is the first one, and then x minus y minus a minus b, that is the second one. Now sum number 15(1). In sum number 15(1), a square minus b square, and then c square minus d square, and then minus 4abcd. Okay, so just multiply c square into a square, so a square c square, then b square c square, then a square d square, and then plus b square d square. And as here 4abcd, just 4abcd break down into minus 2abcd and again minus 2abcd. Okay, now as here a square c square and b square d square and 1 2abcd, so just write down in a bracket a square c square minus 2abcd and then b square d square. Now minus common and write down the remaining terms, b square c square plus 2abcd as minus common, so that's all the sign will be changed. Now next one, a square d square. Okay, so you can arrange the following expression like in this way. So after arranging, as here a square c square, so it will be ac whole square, and then 2 into ac into bd, now here bd whole square. So that is the first one. Second one as same as bc whole square, then 2 into bc into ad, and here ad whole square. Okay, so now you can easily find out that it is the formula of a minus b whole square. So here the formula a minus b, that means ac minus bd whole square, and it is the formula of a plus b whole square, that means bc plus ad whole square. Okay, so now here ac minus bd as a and bc plus ad as b, so a square minus b square formula. So finally you can write ac minus bd plus bc plus ad, and the second one ac minus bd minus bc minus ad. So that is the final answer. Now next one, sum number 16(1). In 16(1), x square plus 1 by x square minus 11. Okay, so here x square, so write down x whole square, then 1 by x whole square, that will be 1 by x square. Now minus 11, so if you break down this minus 11 as minus 2 minus 9, that will be also minus 11. Now here x square whole square plus 1 by x whole square and minus 2, you can write minus 2 in this way. Okay, so if x will be cancelled out, then minus 2 is as same as the previous line. Okay, so now 1, 2 and 3, these three makes a formula, and the formula is x minus 1 by x whole square, as x as a, 1 by x as b, and here 2 into ab, that means a minus b whole square formula. And 9, so change 9 into 3 square. So that will be x minus 1 by x whole square minus 3 square. That means a square minus b square formula. So here x minus 1 by x plus 3, that means a plus b. The second one, x minus 1 by x minus 3, that is a minus b. Okay, so this kind of problem, first you have to construct the formula of a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Now you can arrange or you can break down the constant term to form this formula. Just remember that. Now 17 1, a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 7 a square b square. Okay, so now we have to break down or you have to find out the formula of a plus b or a minus b, anything. So as a square whole square a to the power 4, then b square whole square b to the power 4. Now next thing is, if you write down here plus 2a square b square, okay, and then write down minus a square b square. Okay, as minus 9a square b square plus 2a square b square, it gives minus 7a square b square. So you can adjust or you can write minus 7a square b square in this way. Okay, so whenever you break down this minus 7 into minus 9 plus 2, then the first three terms as a square whole square b square whole square plus 2a square b square, it will be the formula of a square plus b square whole square. That means a plus b whole square formula. And the last term, it's 3ab whole square. So now again you can apply the formula a square plus b square plus 3ab and then a square plus b square minus 3ab. That means this kind of problem, there are 3 steps. First step, you have to rearrange the term to form the formula a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. After that you have to find out, you have to form the formula a square minus b square, and then the final answer will become, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now sum number 17(1). In sum number 17, express each of the following as the difference of 2 square. So here the given question is x square minus 5x plus 7, and second one x square plus 5x plus 7. Now we have to express this following as the difference of 2 square. As the difference of 2 square, that means you have to construct this equation in this form, a square minus b square. A square minus b square is the difference of 2 square. So just look at here, x square both are positive, plus 7 both are positive, but minus 5x and plus 5x, that is in the opposite sign. So you can write in this way, x square plus 7 in a bracket, then minus 5x, and from the second one x square plus 7 in a bracket and then plus 5x. So from that, if x square plus 7 will be a and 5x will be b, then it will be a minus b and it will be a plus b. Now you know that the formula is a minus b into a plus b, that is the formula of a square minus b square. So you can directly write down x square plus 7 whole square minus 5x whole square. So that is the expression of difference of 2 square number. Difference of 2 square number. So here 18. This is the sum of 18, not sum number 17. Now next one, sum number 19. In sum number 19, evaluate the following by using factors. So here first one, 979 whole square minus 21 whole square. Now no need to find out the whole square of 979 and the whole square of 21. You can just apply the formula of a square minus b square, as 979 as a and 21 as b. So the formula is a plus b, that means 979 plus 21, and second one 979 minus 21. Now if you add so 0, then 0, and it will be 1000. So 1000 into 9 minus 1 8, 7 minus 2 5, so here 958. Okay, so the final answer is 958000. That is the answer.
Now we have the next